Seaside City. So we will go inside there. So we can check what we can buy there inside. This is one of the most beautiful mall
So
in Cebu.
Isa is here. She also want to buy something for Isa.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let me see what we can buy for Isa, and we will
Yes.
enjoy that. Let's go, guys.
Okay. See, very nice this place.
Yeah, look at around
As
the
you
view.
can see,
Look at the surroundings.
yeah.
So beautiful.
see the
And
sky.
so that is the Cebu Ocean Park, no? This
Yeah.
is the Ocean Park.
Cebu Ocean
we
Park.
went
So
today.
it's very close.
Yeah, we went today. It's close to the Ocean Park. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Shall we walk there?
Okay.
Wow, Isa, you are very wonderful person.
Put her cup.
Just
Her
like-
hat.
just
Very
like
hot.
follow that.
Yes. Inda Isha.
Hi. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi.
Okay, we will cross. This is the entrance, guys. See, as you can see here, very wide. You can see people are sitting.
That is a food
They are
area,
eating, yeah, food gallery area there.
no? The two sides there.
Yeah, see? Very nice. See Isha now, she feels bored, she feels sleepy. I don't know if she's hungry or sleepy.
Okay, let's go there front.
Okay.
And we will go. And we will explore.
Okay. See? Very nice. I remember Qatar.
Oh.
Looks very clean. Huh?
Adalisa always she is talking herself, but no one cannot hear what she is talking.
Because
Can
for
you talk a
me,
little louder like this, please?
because for me, because
Look
for
at
me
the-
it's
there are
very
a lot of people
loud
that are
now.
walking here, surrounding
Oh.
the area.
Yeah. Oh, the favorite place of Isha
Like
there.
This, like this, around this sort of
See,
video. Wow, there are
There.
many shops
kids
here.
section there,
Yeah.
kids section.
If you want to buy the
That area.
toys or any clothes, you can buy here.
Here?
Wow,
Oh,
this
wow.
is the bakery items. We can
Yeah.
buy something also here for the baby if we.
Yeah, yeah.
Dunkin' Donuts here.
We will go there. But maybe she likes her favorite here. Huh? She missed
Jollibee?
this, yes.
Do you want to go
She
Jollibee?
will eat Jollibee. She missed that.
Cut the video. So we will go for a walk. We will go up. So we can use the staircase now. Let's go. Let's go, Jisha. Isa, let me go up. Wow. Wow. Isha. Isha? Where will go now? Let's go for a walk. Wow. Look at this guy. So here, mango, the branded one. Wow. Wow, you can buy here clothes. Wow.
We can go by this one. Excuse me, asan yung department store? Nasa dito? Direct.
The short section, we will go to the short section. Yeah, really.
Good day, shoppers. Need to transfer
Wow.
or claim money anywhere without hassle? Go to any video remittance counter and we'll help you with more transactions. Remittance at the SM store.
Wow. It's a wonderful walking today, no? But today we had so much fun and we had so much experience. Look at the architects, the design. Yeah, this is the apple tree here. Starbucks here. Look at the interior design, guys. So amazing. Wow. Look at this.
Branded.
Wow.
Most of the branded clothes.
Yeah. Look at this guy. Wow. Isha? Isha? Isha, do you want to say something?
Look at this one. What is it?
So cute. Let's go. Wow, a tea corner huge. Isha, do you want to buy something here? Skinny baker. Let's go. Green and Bond. Natural living. Let's for a walk.
So we're here now in American Eagle. See here, huh? See the place? Yeah, expensive but high quality product.
Yes.
See, look at the
Aldo? Aldo and Watson's.
Aldo Watsons. Also there in Qatar have Watsons.
I think, I'm not sure. Maybe.
Oh, this is the stairs, like spiral. Spiral stairs.
You missed that lotion. You want to buy that?
Yeah.
Actually, go and try it.
Not there in Watsons.
It's not here?
No, not that product. Oh, Isha. Hi, Isha. Hello.
Hi, Mama. Hi.
You
We
feel
are
bo-
right now. SMC Side City, Cebu.
You didn't feel tired.
No.
So we will go up or what?
Let me try.
Okay, we'll go up. Hello, Inda, Isha.
Isa, Mama.
Isha.
Mama.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Inda.
Hi, Mama.
Persalay pa, happy. Why Persalay pa is dripping? So we're here in the third
You want to go
floor.
back? You want to go back there?
No, yeah, she wanted to ride escalator always. So here is Sizzling City. Where you want to go, Inday? Inday. See guys, oh. Oh, this is port.
Guys, it's a very big mall here, guys. Let me go and for a while. Wow.
Virtual world. Oh, we can play there. Yeah, see? The machine now. Machine. Little girl.
Iba talaga.
Hi. Ha?
Okay, here.
Majestic Chinese food.
they decorate here. They decorate here.
Kultura. Kultura is culture. Culture.
That's the culture.
Yeah, maybe the...
Cut the video and check. Guys, we are here in SMC Seaside area, so we are having our, how you say, it's not a break, it's not a lunch, it's not a dinner between there. So afternoon food we are having now. So we are going to, we already ordered the cheeseburger, and with my wife, me and my we will eat together, and maybe also we order for her her favorite food, just with something. Yeah, just we will feel very hungry. Already we went the, how we call, the ocean park, no? So we literally we are feel hungry and we will order. So guys, yeah, guys, I show you the technology. Look at this. Look at this guy. The robot it bring the food. Look at this. Slowly it will come to your table. Maybe I think it's ours. Because we have already, I show you, this is the Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth. So the number, it will find the number and it will come to the table. It's not for our order. When it comes, I will show you guys. Look at Isa. Isa, she is feeling very hungry. She's going to eat some biscuit.
That's why she keep on crying.
Isha, I feel hungry. You will not wait for 2-3 minutes.
The jelly boat.
It's your favorite food, no? Yeah, it will come. Lisha, what did you order for us?
No burger. Yummy burger.
2 yummy burger,
Cheesy one.
cheesy one with
With drinks.
iced tea. Wow.
Then for Isha, her favorite one. The burger steak. Burger
Wow. She will be enjoy that.
steak. Yeah.
Wow, oh my
See, as
God.
for now, she's eating this biscuit. She's very hungry.
Yeah. Isha, you feel very hungry, baby.
She keep on eating now because of her teeth now.
Yeah, because her teeth also coming out. We found there is 4, 5 the tooth,
The
no?
upper one is 3 or 4.
The upper one 3.
Downside is 3.
Uh-huh.
4 like that.
Wow.
Small ones.
Look at this. She's very pretty. We are happy to have her. She's always enjoying me. She's very responsible girl, baby.
She feed herself.
Yeah, very responsible. And she's most beautiful one. We need to keep this one like this, no? Oh, really? I don't know that. Look at this guy. This is not a Singapore. This is the Philippines. So we'll receive you our food with the robot. Wow, nice technologies here now. So we already got our food. This is Isha favorite one. We ordered the cheeseburger and gold iced tea. Isha, are you happy? Baby? Hi, baby. Are you enjoying your meal? Wow.
Her favorite one.
Are you enjoying with your meal?
Her meal
Okay, let's feed her. Isha, I see. Lisha is going to feed the meal to my baby. Wow.
Most
Wow.
of the kids, they love the jelly.
Wow, look at my beauty.
I don't know what's here in Jollibee. Why they love to eat here.
She is very thankful girl. Isha. Mahal? Mahal? Hi. 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 Wow. Say? What did you say? Look at the tag. Wow. So pretty. How is the taste now? Baba? Do you like this? Isha, see, this is her favorite food. Always when we come to the Jollibee, she's eating this is the one. So guys, finally we watched something here over. We are ready to go home now. Time is over now. Time is passing now 5 p.m. Isha, do you want to buy something here, baby? So we go down now, okay? Look at this. So we will go down. We go back down. Wow. Wow.
Maybe now happy will getting little bit strong. Now I feel little bit strong to make advance.
Hi, Mama. Where we will go now?
Go home.
We are ready to go home now. Isha, shall we go home now?
Very nice looking Isha.
Look at this guy. Look at this. Oh my God. We are ready.
Okay, here now. You didn't pass here before now.
No, just we will go down. Wow. Isha, wow.
Okay,
Isha, wow.
Your favorite KFC.
Yes. That's my favorite one. KFC is there. Do you want to try some food there? Let's go. Let's move. Wow. Water. Look at this, Isa. Shall we walk? Do you want to say something? Bye-bye, Isha. I know Isha, she feels very tired. You can smell something? I can feel some smell. Yeah?
The fragrance.
No. With the Isha, madam.
Really?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
Bobby? You'll go to toilet?
So finally guys, we are going to close this video guys. Okay, if you are new to our channel guys, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell button so you will get notification when we are going to upload new video guys. Please support, use your support and give your thumbs up also. So that is a motivation for us to make more vlogs in future. Okay guys, we will make the next video and in the end, Janice, bye bye.